Afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Friday afternoon, beautiful summer day, as you can see. So just here, got a new package, see, from Kemimoto. It's a rear bumper for the ZForce. So just let me quickly open the box, show you what's inside, and then we can get to doing the install. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the bumper comes in 4 pieces. Left side, right side, 2 pieces to the center, bag of screws, nuts, bolts, and instructions. And that's pretty much it. So just let me get the camera and stuff set up here, and we'll start putting this on. Okay guys, so start on the left side first. So there are 2 bolts in here, hold this plastic on, that you need to take out. And so yeah, it's actually 10mm to get the factory bolts out. So I'll just remove those 2. Now, I don't know guys if you can see, there's already a hole here, threaded hole. I'm not sure what that threaded hole is there for. Alright, I'm just going to put a little bit of Loctite in here, just when I put these screws back in. Okay, I think it might be easiest to start on the bottom. I won't snug it or anything, I'll just enough to hold it in place. Now, I'll try to get one in here. Okay guys, that's a pretty tight fit. Trying to get those in there. There's really not a lot of space to get in there. So you're gonna have to use extension. But now I'll snug it up a little tiny bit more. I still won't go all the way with it. Exact same thing with the other side. Take out those 2 small screws, and then I'll put the crossovers in and try to get those 2 out. So we have these 2 crossovers here. They just go here to join the 2 sides together. You can see there are slots in everything. These holes in here are slots. This one down here has a slot. So there is a fair amount of play. The only problem is it basically blocks off your license plate. I'm not going to bother to relocate that. Okay guys, so got it on there. Yeah, it is. The only real issue is very simple. It's six bolts per side, and then the ones here to crossbars here to link it together. So there is quite a bit of adjustment that you can make, but the only real problem is the space. Trying to get those two bolts in on each side. That's really the only issue. It'd be a bit easier with 2 people, but trying to wrestle it yourself, I had quite a bit of trouble trying to get those bolts in. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I preferred it over the OEM bumper. These stainless steel screws and nuts, I'll probably go ahead and paint those once I get everything snugged down and stuff. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. And yeah, another quick addition to the side-by-side. So alright guys, till the next video, like, subscribe, dislike, thumbs down, whatever you want. And hope you stay tuned for the next video.